If you're looking to create a mailing list in Mailchimp, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple process of setting up your first mailing list on Mailchimp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start building your audience, whether you're promoting a product, sharing content, or just keeping in touch with your community. Before we jump into the steps, remember that you can use Mailchimp completely free from the first link below. We've got an exclusive bonus for you that you won't want to miss. All right, let's get into it. First thing you'll need to do is sign up or log into your Mailchimp account. If you don't have one yet, it's quick and easy to get started with their free plan. Once logged in, head to your dashboard where you'll see a Create button. Click that, and you'll be able to choose a variety of options for your campaign or list. For this, choose the Audience option, which is where all your contacts will live. Next thing, you'll be prompted to create your first audience. Mailchimp uses the term audience instead of mailing list, but it's essentially the same thing. Give your audience a name. This could be something related to the niche of your business or campaign, like marketing newsletter or product updates. You'll also need to input your contact information, which will appear at the bottom of emails you send out. This is important for compliance, as it's a requirement in many countries. The third thing to do is add your subscribers. You can manually add contacts by clicking Add Contacts, or if you have an existing list in a CSV or Excel file, you can upload them directly. If you're starting fresh, though, you can skip this step for now and focus on building your list organically. The fourth thing to mention is setting up sign-up forms. Mailchimp makes this really easy with their pre-designed forms, and you can customize them to fit your branding. These forms can be embedded on your website, added to social media, or shared via link. This is how you'll start collecting subscribers to your mailing list. Be sure to make your form clear and simple, asking for just the necessary information, name and email address typically. The fifth thing is automating your sign-up process. With Mailchimp, you can set up an automation to welcome new subscribers with a personalized email right after they join your list. It's a great way to engage people right away and make them feel welcome. You can also set up other automated emails for things like product launches or special offers, saving you time and ensuring you stay connected. Now, the sixth thing to cover is segmentation. Once you start building your list, you can use Mailchimp's segmentation features to organize your contacts. You can create groups based on location, interests, or past interactions with your emails. This will help you target specific audiences and send them more relevant content, which can improve engagement. Finally, don't forget to test and optimize. Send test emails to yourself to see how everything looks and ensure your links work. Track open rates and click rates to see how your audience is interacting with your emails and adjust your content accordingly. To wrap it up, we've walked through creating a mailing list in Mailchimp, from setting up your account to sending your first email. Remember, you can use Mailchimp for free by clicking the first link below, where you'll also get an exclusive extended trial. So go ahead and start building your mailing list today.